Solve this ASVAB GED high school math challenge problem. Are you ready? Let's go. So what we have is we have this problem solved for x and we're given this equation. So we are going to use, first thing is what the acronym PEMDAS, which is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we are going to be dealing with the P, which is the parentheses, and going to distribute them because we have two parentheses on both left and right hand side. Okay, so let's go ahead and write that 7x minus 3 2x plus 4. This is equal to, on the right hand side, 9 minus x minus 5. So we are going to distribute the whole negative 3 into both of these terms inside the parentheses, and then in negative, just a negative means negative 1. So we're going to distribute that into the two terms inside that parentheses. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So we have 7x. Negative 3 times 2x is going to be negative 6x, and then negative 3 times 4 is going to be negative 12. This is equal to 9. Negative 1 times x is going to be minus x, and negative 1 times negative 5 is going to be positive 5. You have to be careful about signs here because negative times negative is going to be positive. All right. So now we have done that. We are going to go in step 2 to combine like terms. So the like terms here are the 7x and 6x. On the right hand side is the numbers. There are the like terms. So 7x minus 6x is just going to be x. And then there is a minus 12. That is equal to 9 plus 5 is going to be 14 minus x. Okay, so now the strategy here is to bring the variables together and the numbers together. Okay, so in order to do that, what we are going to do and is essentially want to get rid of the negative 12 here. So we're going to add a plus 12 on both sides, and then want to get rid of the negative x on the right hand side. So we're going to add an x on both sides. Okay, so that is the strategy, and we can do that in the next step, bring variables together, numbers together. So you see here the plus 12 minus 12 will cancel. That's going to be 2x. That is equal to the x's will cancel on the right hand side. So it's going to be 14 plus 12 is 26. Okay, and then finally we're going to divide both sides by 2, okay, to get rid of the 2 and isolate the x. So that gives us basically 2x equals 26. Divide both sides by 2, so the 2's will cancel on the left. 2 goes in 26 13 times. So we have 13 is our final answer, which is represented by choice D. Here is 13, x equals 13. Now if you are interested, if you like what you see here, and if you're interested in many more problems like this and the entire boot camp on the ASVAB GED high school math, then please join me on Patreon for a lot more questions. So this is patreon.com/inspirational STEM. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye.